Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to use Microsoft Planner with Outlook. Now, what we would need to do is to go ahead and open up our Microsoft Planner right here. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to import whatever is assigned to us to our Outlook calendar. Now, for us to do that, I have this project management project right here, where what I'm going to do is look into this specific task called project planning, and then I'm going to be assigning it to myself right here. And then what I'm going to do is, as you can see, it is set to the this coming Friday right here. And then I'm going to be clicking on this arrow right here, where we should be able to see add plan to Outlook calendar. So if you go ahead and click on this, you have two options where you can either go ahead and not publish this, or you can also go ahead and publish this. But in this sense, we need to go ahead and publish this right here. And then we can go ahead and add to Outlook calendar. This will go ahead and open up the Outlook calendar where we can go ahead and create our tasks right here with the planner right here. And then it will be added to other planners. And then once that we're happy, we can go ahead and click import. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at our Outlook right here, we have created our planner calendar under the other calendars project. Or if you had the option earlier, we could have added it in my calendars. But as you can see, this calendar now can be shown right here and use this in our Outlook. Well, I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.